We all know who he is. Hov, Jiggerman. Some even say the King of New York. Jay-Z's lyrics are written on the outer frontal of the library. Some of the iconic songs that he sang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think it's the best 10 songs that he got on the front here. It's crazy. You gotta know, guys, I've got him blasted in my headphones right now. Getting into the mode, you know. So I don't even know if you're gonna hear this good or not. We'll see what it sounds like in the edit. yeah, that and our problems on it. Look at this. It's amazing. He done this. He put it on for his borough. New York, stand up. Somebody told me that we might miss this because we'd be zooming in on spots, but nah, this is right in the front. It's like the kind of stuff he has at his concerts. Yeah, it's dope, man. And for them to position this right here, you know that it's showing up for Brooklyn. This is straight fire. Yeah, man, real heat. Love him or hate him, the dude is a legend. Legendary status. I mean, when he dropped his first album, I was about 25 years old, so I was right in my remit, you know. We was all hip hop up. That is fire. Look at that. Wicked. So here we go, the Book of Hov. Let's see what's inside there. 8 levels of artistry. Okay, so let's go check it out. Let's see what's all about. Oh yeah, that's the Made in America Festival. Word on the street had it that they were switching up the stages, real dramatic, real crisp, real professional. Holding court in the middle of the Louvre. Yeah, Jay. And here's where it all started. Marcy houses. Look at this. Man's face on all the walls. Go, Jay. Why did Def Jam have my artists wearing their jackets? when they're Rockefeller artists. Why does Def Jam have my artists wearing their jackets? This is fire. Wicked. Fire. This is so inspirational for all the people in New York, all the young guns. Just to, encourage them to get off their asses and do something. Even for me myself, it's like, yeah, I want to be, I am. It's totally free to attend, and it's in Brooklyn Central Library. As long as you have a library card, you can enter. Fortunately, I've got a library card, so, we're here. Representing the Boss Couple 22. Magazine cover after magazine cover, photo after photo, video after video. It's all in here. It's iconic. Blessed to be in this place today. So here we can see, like, this is where they were using tapes to record onto. This is a copycat now of Baseline Studios, where Hov created numerous amounts of songs and albums, such as Blueprint and the Black Album. Jay-Z was tired of using different studios to create a sound that he wanted to make, so his friend decided to build this studio and have everything under one roof. You can't go to a studio and don't see a bundle of wires. It is real. To create the magic, Jay-Z using a Neve and an SSL recording console. That's the one in front of us here. Yeah, bad.